Your gut is an amazing world, a complex and dynamic ecosystem that plays a crucial role in your overall well-being. Trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microbes call it home, each contributing to the intricate balance of this internal environment. We call this community your gut microbiome. It's a bustling metropolis of microorganisms, each with its own unique function. It's involved in almost every aspect of your health, from digestion and nutrient absorption to mental health and immune function. Think of your gut as a garden. Just like a garden needs a variety of plants to thrive, your gut needs a diverse range of microbes. A healthy garden teems with a diverse range of plants, each contributing to the ecosystem's overall health and resilience. Similarly, a healthy gut thrives on a diverse mix of microbes. This diversity helps maintain balance and supports various bodily functions. This diversity is key for digesting food, producing essential vitamins, and maintaining a robust immune system. It also plays a vital role in training your immune system to recognize and fight off harmful pathogens. When your gut is balanced, you feel good, you're energized, your digestion is smooth, and your immune system is strong. This balance is essential for overall health and well-being, helping you to stay active and resilient. But what happens when this balance is disrupted? An imbalance in your gut microbiome can lead to a host of issues, from digestive problems to weakened immunity and even mental health challenges. Antibiotics are powerful medicines. They fight bacterial infections and save lives. But they have a downside. Antibiotics don't discriminate between good and bad bacteria. Imagine using a weed killer that wipes out all plants, not just the weeds. That's what antibiotics can do to your gut. They can deplete the beneficial bacteria that keep your gut healthy. This disruption can have a ripple effect throughout your body, leading to digestive issues, weakened immunity, and even an increased risk of chronic diseases. While antibiotics are sometimes necessary, it's crucial to understand their impact on your gut and take steps to minimize the collateral damage. Scientific research has shed light on the profound impact of antibiotics on gut health. The gut microbiome, a complex community of microorganisms living in our digestive tract, plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. Studies have shown that even short courses of antibiotics can significantly alter the composition and diversity of the gut microbiome. This disruption can lead to a decrease in beneficial bacteria and an increase in harmful bacteria. One study published in the journal found that a single course of antibiotics led to a dramatic reduction in the diversity of gut bacteria, with some species completely disappearing. This loss of diversity can weaken the gut's ability to function properly and protect against infections. These changes can persist for months or even years after antibiotic use. The long-term impact on gut health can be profound, affecting not just digestion but also the immune system and mental health. Another study revealed that antibiotic use in early life can have long-term consequences for gut health, potentially increasing the risk of conditions like obesity, allergies, and autoimmune diseases. Early exposure to antibiotics can disrupt the development of a healthy gut microbiome. These findings highlight the importance of using antibiotics judiciously and taking steps to restore gut health after their use. Probiotics, prebiotics, and a diet rich in fiber can help support the recovery of the gut microbiome. Consulting with healthcare professionals about the necessity and duration of antibiotic treatments is crucial for maintaining long-term gut health. So how do you restore your gut after antibiotics? Antibiotics can be lifesavers, but they often come with the side effect of disrupting your gut flora. One way to help your gut recover is with probiotics. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are beneficial for your digestive system. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of your gut microbiome. They work by replenishing the beneficial bacteria that may have been wiped out by antibiotics, helping to restore a healthy balance. Think of probiotics as adding beneficial insects to your garden. Just like ladybugs help control pests and improve soil health, these beneficial bacteria help maintain a healthy environment in your gut. Similarly, probiotics can help crowd out harmful bacteria and restore balance in your gut, promoting better digestion and overall health. You can find probiotics in a variety of fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. These foods are not only delicious but also packed with live cultures that benefit your gut. They're also available as supplements, which can be a convenient option if you're not a fan of fermented foods. When choosing a probiotic supplement, look for products that contain a variety of strains, as different strains have different benefits. Some may aid digestion, while others boost your immune system or even improve your mood. Always consult with a healthcare provider to find the best option for you. Nurturing your microbiome. Prebiotics, food for your friendly flora. Probiotics get a lot of attention, but prebiotics are just as important. Prebiotics are types of fiber that your body can't digest, but your gut bacteria can. Think of prebiotics as fertilizer for your garden. They provide nourishment to the beneficial bacteria in your gut, helping them thrive. Good sources of prebiotics include onions, garlic, bananas, asparagus, and oats. Include these foods in your diet to create a gut environment where beneficial bacteria can flourish. Fermented foods, ancient wisdom for a modern gut. Fermented foods have been a staple in many cultures for centuries. They're not only delicious but also packed with probiotics and other beneficial compounds. Fermentation is a natural process where bacteria or yeast convert sugars into acids, alcohol, or gases. This process creates an environment that's hostile to harmful bacteria, but ideal for beneficial bacteria to thrive. Some of the best fermented foods for gut health include yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha. Incorporate these tangy treats into your diet to introduce beneficial bacteria and support a healthy gut ecosystem. Fiber, the foundation of a healthy gut. Fiber is often overlooked, but it's crucial for gut health. It acts like a broom, sweeping waste through your digestive tract. This prevents constipation and keeps things moving smoothly. Fiber also feeds your gut bacteria. Remember those prebiotics we talked about? Many of them are types of fiber. Aim for at least 30 grams of fiber per day from a variety of sources such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Make fiber your friend and your gut will thank you. Beyond diet, lifestyle choices for gut harmony. What you eat plays a huge role in gut health, but your lifestyle matters too. Stress can wreak havoc on your gut. When you're stressed, your body produces hormones that can disrupt the balance of your gut bacteria. Exercise is like a fertilizer for your gut. It helps increase the diversity of your gut bacteria, which is linked to better overall health. Sleep is when your body, including your gut, repairs itself. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Listen to your gut, signs of imbalance and what to do. Your gut often sends signals when things are off balance. Pay attention to these signs: gas, bloating, diarrhea, constipation, and stomach pain. These symptoms can indicate that your gut microbiome is out of whack. If you experience these issues regularly, consult with a healthcare professional. Reclaiming your gut health, a journey to wellness. Restoring your gut health after antibiotics is a journey. It takes time, effort, and consistency. By incorporating probiotics, prebiotics, and fermented foods into your diet, prioritizing fiber, managing stress, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep, you can create an environment where beneficial bacteria can thrive. Remember, your gut health is a reflection of your overall health. Invest in your gut, and you invest in your well-being.